Welcome back. While structural indexing like .loc is useful, the true power of data analysis lies in conditional selection. Asking your data questions like, show me all records where the value is greater than a certain threshold. This is achieved using Boolean masking, which relies on the concepts we learned in the NumberPy module. 1. Creating the data and a single condition. To filter data, we first create a Boolean series or mask. We access the price column and apply a condition, asking if the price is greater than 200. The result is a series of true and false values, corresponding row by row to whether the condition was met. This mask is the key to conditional selection. 2. Filtering the data frame. To filter the data frame, you pass the Boolean mask directly inside the square brackets of the data frame. Pandas automatically selects only the rows where the mask is true. This operation extracts all columns but only the rows that satisfy the condition. 3. Combining multiple conditions. For complex queries, you can combine multiple conditions using the bitwise operators. Use the ampersand sign, for and the pipe sign, for or. It is essential to wrap each individual condition in parentheses to ensure correct operator precedence. To summarize, Boolean masking is the primary way to perform database-style queries on your data frame. Our next lecture 36.14. Pick a cell. See you there.